Hello everyone. So today we will be talking about a dictation software. Now dictation software and translation software could be very helpful for your drafting, and it can actually save your time or reliance on somebody who would be typing on your behalf. And it makes much easy for you to actually dictate whatever you want in your mind and also correct it or make changes or maybe translate. So it is very easy way to draft your petitions through the dictation. Now I'll show you how it works. So this dictation software is by Digilegal, and this is a very well-known group where parent company is Bombay Case Reporter, and they are in legal business from decades, and they have introduced this legal dictation software, and this actually integrates a lot of things, so it becomes much easier for you to access this dictation software. Now I'll show you how to use it. Now here we have a login option, so you can simply log in by using this option, and once you subscribe for dictation you will be seeing only this option available for dictator. So now you have to click on dictator option. The moment you click on dictator option, you will be getting all the tab related to dictation. Now, once you start the dictation, what all basic things you need to follow? So first of all, you will have to select the language which you want to dictate. Suppose you want to dictate in English, and there are other options also in which you can dictate. You can dictate in Marathi, you can dictate in Gujarati, Bengali, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, and Malayalam. So suppose you want to dictate in English, select English. The moment you select language, then you can just start the conversation. And once you start your conversation, it will start dictating things. So suppose we want to dictate anything, we can just read it here and we can start our dictation right from here. Now let us dictate anything. Section 5, commutation of sentence. The appropriate government may, without the consent of the offender, commute any punishment under this Sahita to any other punishment in accordance with section 474 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sahita 2023, and then later we can stop. So see, whatever we said, it has given us the content, except what I spoke in last, then later we can. So suppose now this content we want to further use it. So you are simply required, the moment you type anything and you want to use it in draft, right? So you can just do it is add to document, right? And you can click like this. So it has come here, and here you have got all the option of editing. You can actually edit it in the manner you want. You can change the font, you can change the other things. And again, if you want to dictate, you can just use this clear option and you can start dictating by using start button. Here we have again given you multiple options. You can save this same document in Word, or you can also save it as a draft. So you have to enter the title and you can save it as a draft. So you will have to enter here like Navneet draft March. So I'll just uh, either save in Word or I'll say to draft. So draft have been saved and I can use this save draft anytime. Then you can also make a new document by just clicking here and everything will be cleared from this. You can also translate this. Now the moment you translate this section, the entire data will come here. This translate option you can use for any other data also. Like this is just dictation data. We can use it for other data also. Let me show you how. So suppose we'll search some citation here. The advantage of this dictation software that you get all the citation available here itself, and it becomes much easy for you to choose the citation, get the judgment, and copy any content out of that judgment. Now you see volume 1, whatever pages are available, it will all come. And then you can use this option of view. And you've got this volume 1 judgment. And the advantage of Digilegal is that you're getting very good database available. Now you want to just copy paste this Surface Eye Act, okay, and this information in the draft. So you can simply come here and paste this. Now you want to translate entire content into some other language. So you just go on translate option, select the language you want to translate. Suppose Marathi. So see, you've got the translation available here. You can again add this to a document also where you are actually drafting. So you see, now you've got this Marathi option in your document and that English things have gone out of it. So let's clear all. So once I do make a new document, everything will go. Now see, suppose I have on the right side, you can see all the options available. So when I am drafting, it is giving me option of using multiple symbols also, right? So suppose I am drafting on behalf of some petitioner. So I have made a command here. So I can just choose this. I am Advocate Navneet Amrate, appearing on behalf of petitioner. Now again, I can start draft from here. Section 18, accident in doing a lawful act. Nothing is an offense which is done by accident or misfortune and without any criminal intention or knowledge in the doing of a lawful act in a lawful manner by a lawful means and with proper care and caution. So now I want to add full stop. So it has added it. Maybe I want to add comma. So it has added comma. Or I can simply use this command. Full stop. Next para. Percentage. Rupee symbol. So whatever symbol you want to give, you can actually add them here. And I'll show you how to add the symbols. So these are some of the symbols which I have added. But you can add your own symbols and you can just click on it. Like you want to use and, click and. You want to use so semicolon. So you can use any of the content and any of the symbol here and easily make your draft. So let's clear this. Now the other features what, so we'll just stop. Okay. So now the other features which we can actually use through this, we will just come down. So whatever you're saving, it is coming in your draft. So my draft option is by default. I saved this Navneet draft. I can just open it and I'll get the draft here. So suppose you have saved multiple drafts, you don't have to again dictate those things. You just click here, it will come in your body and you can make changes accordingly. I showed you citation search is available here. So in the same product, you're getting multiple judgments available. So if you need any citation, you can just choose this option and you can find out citations available. Third option is deeds and document, where you can choose deed and document. And here we have given multiple drafts available. Like suppose you want to see an affidavit of the complainant in support of his complaint under section 138 Negotiable Instrument Act. So you just open it and the draft will come in your body. And right here you can make the changes. Or you can also add this and then again dictate further, right? So you can copy paste here also. And then you can start your dictation further. Similarly, we have given you many drafting options, like this was acknowledgement. Then if you want to see affidavit criminal, then there is under 438 affidavit. So you just click on it. You have got this affidavit font and format and you can then make the changes. Then we have other options apart from deed and document. Okay, so this one more thing which I want to show on deeds and document is you can always choose the language. Like there is English and Marathi available, so you just choose Marathi and you will get the draft on Marathi. Suppose you want affidavit. So see, you got this draft in Marathi. So we have English and Marathi drafts available here, which can be again useful. The next option is AI assistance. Now AI assistance is also one of the good option where you can ask any query to AI, and like suppose you want AI to draft something, right? So now suppose AI you ask AI to draft a non-disclosure agreement for a startup and an investor, and you ask AI this query, and the AI will give you a draft option. So this is one query which I'm saying, but you can actually ask it any query. So now this is the non-disclosure agreement which AI has given. Now we can do the add document and the entire document has added. So So this is our non-disclosure agreement. Then we have a very good option, audio to text. Now how this audio to text is useful is you can simply choose your file, any audio, upload it, and later you can just get the written document out of your audio. So you are just required to go and choose the file and upload it, and automatically the response generated by audio can come here, and then you can grammatically correct also. So here audio to text is a very good option where you can just record audio through your WhatsApp or maybe through your recorder option, share it to your team or junior to just convert it if you are busy somewhere. It's not necessary that you have to always come to the dictation software and dictate it. You can just choose the audio simply from your phone. You can record it and share it, and that particular audio can be converted into text. So that is again a very good option. Then we have image to text option. You can simply choose any file and you can convert it again in text, right? So any image, maybe PDF image, you can just choose it and you can convert it into text. Then we have this legal maxim option. Now this is very good option. While actually drafting, you cannot actually speak. Most of the people are finding it difficult to speak jargon words. So suppose you want to add any of the jargon, you can just simply copy from here while drafting and add in your draft. Yeah. So there are so many of legal maxims available here, and they are very easy to just understand the language and copy it. So this is a very good option for using dictation. Couple of more things I would like to tell you. You can add a new command, right? So how to add a new command? It's again very easy to do it. See, I have added this command. Now if you want to add any other command, maybe you want to add your known. So I am advocate Shri Advocate Shivam Thakur, practicing in Bombay High Court. So now this is a command and I can give it intro 3. Again, the command can be done in multiple language. So we are doing it in English. Submit. Now this command will be added in our option, and the moment we click on it, it will automatically come. So you can make whatever number of lines you want to make it. You have to type in symbol the entire command what you want to make it and give it some description, or even in some other languages you want to add, you can add the command on it and just choose by default yes visible and submit. So this is a very good option of adding command. And similarly, you can add the symbol. Right? You want to add a dollar symbol. So see, now our dollar symbol has been added. I can just use it. So these are some very important features which are actually very good. And any draft available here, you can easily share it to your team, or also you can share it for yourself by multiple sharing options. So there are no dearth of options available here. So I hope this session will be useful for you, and you can easily use this product. So how, I'll just again summarize few things. You are required to just log in to this option, use the dictator option, and use the language which you want to dictate, and then you can just give a start command. And the moment you give start command, it will start drafting the way you are speaking in the language what you have selected, right? And then you can just stop it, add to document, and you can add another changes here. You can also edit your fonts, save it to draft. You can translate the similar text. So this is something which has very use. Then you have your own draft you can save. There is a citation search available. Deeds and documents are available. AI assistance is available. Audio to text option is a very good option which is available. Image to text is an option which is available. So any audio recorded by you, you can just upload it and convert it. Any image you're getting, you can convert that too. Again, you can translate those things by copying here. So in short, this is a very nice product where you can save your time by using the dictation option, as well as deeds and documents are available, so you can copy them. Judgments are available, so you can copy the content of those judgments, and you don't have to go to the multiple files or places to prepare a pleading or draft which you are looking forward to dictate it. So thank you everyone for seeing this session. I'm Navneet Amrita. I've got it through Navneet Law Studio. So I hope this will be useful. Thank you very much.